I'm here in Enfield with the Maserati Khamsin, and this car is really shaping up. Rick is here to show us some of the details of the assembly of the car.
It is, in some ways, looks the same as it has before, but all of the accessories have started going in place, being tightened down.
Well, the stuff looks the same, but it works.
It
Rick.
is,
That's
it
a big
is fluided.
difference.
That's what I was going to say. Is we've now got it fluided. It's got coolant in it right now. It's got oil in it. It's got the LHM system is all full of fluid. We've cranked the engine. We've built oil pressure in it, and it is.
We've tested gauges.
It is an exhaust system away from starting.
We've got working gauges in it.
The gauges are showing pressures, showing RPM as it cranks. They are not the gauges. They happen to be the same because the India is here.
Got some notes
but we
there.
are using it as a test. The doors are complete.
You can look inside at the mechanism on that door, and
the glass is in, the regulators are in. All the chrome, all the rubber, all the trim is fit. So the doors are complete. The inside wipes, the outside wipes. So it's really coming together.
One of the things I always take pride in showing in these videos is the care and the workmanship in areas you won't ever see. But boy, you know it, because here's the cabling that runs this window up and down. And if this cabling isn't rigged right, the windows, they jam, they don't work right. If these linkages for the doors aren't set up right, the doors don't close right. All these adjustments to make sure everything goes up and down smoothly and fits. There's just so much work that you can never see in these cars when they're finished on the show field, and it's all done on these.
Sill plates, door weather strips, rain gutters, trim.
Here's more trim in the back, getting ready to go in. And
they're still compressing.
Yeah, and you can look at the care and all the welding and fitting.
The fuel system is in place. The transfer pipe is in place. The lower fuel tank is all set. The fuel pump runs.
So this is, in all likelihood, going to be the best Khamsin there is when this makes its debut. And our thinking right now is that Don will be very interested in featuring this car at Audrain, and we can think about other venues for it as well. But this is really shaping up, and this car is going to be on show this summer.